Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. With these ratings,
make a great choice today with the 2014 Cadillac CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.